Have you ever had a great idea or a solution, but the gap to the finished product was just too big? Fear no more. Aeon gives you all the tools to make your idea possible with their App single board computers. Here we have the App Core, a single board computer that combines miniature size, high performance and low power consumption, the best fit for education, automation and IoT projects. It is also the smallest x86 architecture single board computer that weighs about 40 grams. The computer is equipped with the Intel Atom X5 quad-core processor clocked at 1.92 GHz, a high-performance and low-power consumption CPU. For smooth 3D graphics performance, the board has an integrated Intel HD 400. The high level of customization comes from the ability to select the amount of RAM, memory, and extend your peripherals. As it comes to RAM, you can choose between 1, 2, and 4 GB DDR3L. For the memory, you have the integrated eMMC that goes up to 64 GB. This gives you high transfer speeds and reliability in vibrating environments. This is the 432 version that you can find on our website TMEU. Visually, you can see the HDMI, the USB 3.0 and the power jack, but give it a closer look and you will find additional 2 USB 2.0, an embedded DisplayPort, camera serial interface with 2 lanes, a Wi-Fi module, Bluetooth, and other interfaces. To extend the user features and develop custom boards, you have the 100-pin I/O high-speed expansion connector with which you can stack up to 3 expansion boards. AppCore is also compatible with Windows 10, Ubuntu, Android, Yocto, and UbiLinux. At the end of the day, after you have finished your project or got stuck, there is a big app community with which you can share your idea or ask for help. If you are interested in more information, go to TMEU. Thank you for watching.
You can find more videos on our channel. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified when new ones arrive.